and put the role name here. Again, you can name this whatever you want. Dev account, dev AWS account, and add that account. Now we're added. Now we will see the data getting exchanged between Complitri.ai and the AWS platform, your AWS platform. So first, let's check out cost optimization. I feel like this is what everyone is interested in. Companies are seeing costs rise day by day, and they don't have control over it. Leaders don't know what's going on, and they don't know what services they're even paying for sometimes. That's why we've included every single AWS service possible. But this is a smaller account. This is one of our sandbox accounts that we have, so you won't see too much impact. You won't see that much cost in the sandbox account of ours. But enterprise accounts, you'd see bigger numbers, and you'd see a lot more different AWS services. So here you can see RDS, networking, EC2, S3. So it looks like RDS is costing us the most right now. If I click that and open it up, you can see exactly which RDS instance. Looks like there's an oversized RDS instance. Its name is CompliTru.ai. It's one of our dev instances. And then we also have a risk level, medium risk, telling you that, hey, you should actually look into it manually, or maybe have one of your engineers look into it before you make a change through our application immediately, because this can resize it. This will resize it through our application, but we don't want to risk your platform, and we don't want to break anything without you looking into that. But if it's a low risk, like this one right here, you see old RDS snapshot, you can definitely execute that, delete that right through our application. If you click execute now, we wouldn't see this here anymore. Basically, it would delete it. Again, you can see that quick wins for networking. Looks like we have some IPv4 waste, and there is this one is a good one, low risk, very low risk one. So IPv4 address, elastic IP, it's not in use at all. So what our app will do, it'll just let you execute now, and it'll delete this, save you money right away. Again, you can do this with all of them, and it'll give you an explanation, an AI explanation as to what is happening. And if you wanted to do it manually yourself, you can also just use this command and run that inside your Cloud shell, and it would execute the same change. Yeah, so that's the quick win section, where we analyze, find you quick wins which you can execute on, and make impact right away in terms of your costs and your billing. But here we have our AI FinOps assistant, which is one of the cooler aspects of our application, cooler features. Here we can click one of these quick commands, and let's say we click top expenses. It's going to analyze your AWS environment, your AWS billing, and find the top expensive services that you're paying for this month. You see that's pretty fast too. Again, we have a CFO report, we have cost trends, find waste, EC2 tips. These are our recommended commands that we feel like would drive more impact for you and your team in terms of cost optimization. But this report is a definitely good report you can share among your leadership on a monthly basis. See CFO executive report showing your top cost drivers, quick wins again, which we saw just recently. And then we can also export this into PDF. You can download this, share it among your team. And there's some cost trends. See cost trends for the last 30 days.